Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDT from OKX to M-Pesa in 2025. If you're in Kenya or anywhere M-Pesa is available, this step-by-step guide will help you convert your crypto into cash hassle-free. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, withdrawing USDT can feel intimidating, but don't worry. I'll walk you through it in just a few simple steps. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an active OKX account with USDT in your wallet, and a registered M-Pesa account linked to your phone. Also, keep in mind that by 2025, regulations might have evolved, so always double-check for any updates on fees or limits. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your OKX app or website using your secure credentials. Head over to the Wallet section and select USDT from your assets. Next, click on Withdraw. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to choose the right network for M-Pesa compatibility. I recommend using the Tron TRC20 network as it's often the fastest and cheapest option for these transfers. Step 2. Enter your M-Pesa mobile number in the withdrawal address field. OKX might ask for additional details like the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there's usually a minimum limit, so check that first. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes, then hit Confirm. You'll get a verification code sent to your email or phone. Enter it to proceed. Once submitted, your withdrawal request will be processed. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your M-Pesa app for the funds to appear. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication on OKX to keep your account secure, and be aware of any transaction fees that could eat into your amount. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from OKX to M-Pesa in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it puts your crypto to practical use. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and happy trading.